International students, listen up. There's going to be a lot of changes moving forward to student visas, and you got to be aware and know them. Changes to duration of status, cutbacks on optional practical training. When you come into the airport, expect front-end screening. Questions about your social media history, travel patterns, prior overstays, if any, and any unlawful employment. There's regulations coming up that's going to give fixed periods of time to students rather than duration of status. Right now, the proposed regulation is 4 years maximum, and then you got to request extensions to stay. When you get your optional practical training, that's your work permission, there's going to be a lot of scrutiny that this optional practical training is actually training and not cheap labor for U.S. employers. So expect stricter SEVIS review and expect on-site investigations to make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. All of this has caused international admissions to universities to drop. But even though you as an international student may feel nervous about that, it actually puts you in a better position. Less competition by other international students. Less competition to change your status to H-1B, which if you do in the United States, you don't have to pay a fee for. Less competition for slots at prestigious universities. What's most important is that you have a plan. And your plan can't be, I hope I get an H-1B visa. You need to think multi-path options when you graduate if you want to stay in the U.S. H-1B, O-1 extraordinary ability, national interest waiver, marriage and family cases, possible asylum, maybe employment abroad to return on an L-1, intra-company transferee. Leave your questions, issues, and thoughts in the comments.